our home page. Let us go to sign up and create an account. Let us give let us confirm. Now the account should be created. We can log into that account. This is our website, and if we close this website and open that again, open the browser again, your login information will be remembered. See, we see 1, 2, 3. And these are the pizzas, these are the subs, these are the pastas, and these are the salads. There are only 4 salads. We can also log out from this site. Let us go to the admin page of this site and try to add one more salad. So this is the input side. We decided to add salad, right? Let us go to there and add salad. Asking the salad name, chicken salad. Let us give some rate. We can add some image to that as well and some ID. You can share that object. Let us log out and go to our home website and log in with that CC account. So if we see salad, we will find that chicken salad which we have added just now, and the Rishi can add orders for him, asking for confirmation. And this we place checkout, it asks for his confirmation. You can see 8.25, 8.25, total becomes 16.5, and once we click confirm, the button gets disabled and we can see the placed orders in this. Now we can log out and log in as admin. Let us log in. Admin can see the orders here. Let us place one more order from another account. So this is the account of Pawan Kalyan. If you see, his orders will be empty. So let us add some more for him. Let us add one pizza for him with black olive toppings. It shows us all the information and asks us to confirm. Let us check out and total cost it will show us, and let us click to OK. Now if we see your orders, you will find that an order has been placed, and let us log in from admin account and see the orders. We have to see the order placed by Pawan Kalyan. He ordered cheese pizza with one topping. And let us, since Rishi placed the order, let us confirm the order 16.5. You can see that the button has been disabled, and if we go to that Rishi account, and log into that account, and if we see his orders, you can see that status is completed. And let's add some more. Let's add this special cheese for him. Check out, the total should be 25.95. We can see the total is 25.95. Let us confirm the order. We can see that this is the previous order completed, and this is